Oh, hi there. Didn't see you coming. Well, my name is Bela Berking, and I'm a first-year PhD student in the systems chemistry of the group of Daniela Wilson. This is Waffles. Come on, let's show you around. Well, let's start our tour in the PhD office, where new and exciting research is conducted. Here we see a PhD student working hard. Come on, let's continue. Here we house our hard-working students, always trying to help us in conducting our research and getting new insight into chemical and other things. Well, let's have a look who's working here. Well, it seems that it's Jabin working here. Let's have a look what he's doing.
Hello. I'm measuring my particle size with this nano sizer. So it will measure the sizes of the particles as you see here. So they are in nanometer size. They are very cool. You see, the size is 150 nanometer.
Well, doesn't that sound exciting? Let's go to the next lab. Well, wasn't that exciting? Let's go to the next lab and see who's working there. This is the nanosite lab, and it's Jabin again. Let's see what he's doing with this cool machine.
Hello, it's me again. So this time we use a different technique to measure the sizes of the particles. And this one will use the camera to track every particles and then translate to the sizes. Like this, and then you will translate to this kind of curve, so you will see two peaks of the particles.
Well, isn't that just great? Well, let's see who's on the other side of the lab, because we have more cool machines here. Danny, what are you doing right now?
Now I'm measuring the molecular weight of the polymer. So you can see here, we can put the sample here and measure the molecular weight using this machine.
Wow, that just sounds super awesome. Let's go to the next part. Ooh, all these analytics are really getting me hungry for some hands-on lab work. Follow me to the lab. This is the pre-lab dressing room where we put on all our safety gear. Wouldn't want to forget our lab coat and start burning in the lab, would we? And of course, our face shield. Let's go. Up, up, up. Well, let's have a look what the other busy bees are doing in the lab. Follow me. Oh, it seems as if Sjoerd is doing something under his fume hood. Let's ask him.
Oh, hi Bela.
Hi,
Nice
Sjoerd.
to see you.
Well, what are you doing here?
Well, I'm just making some block copolymers.
Interesting. What does that block polymer consist of?
This one right here is PEG B polystyrene, and it is the polymer we use most in our group.
Nice. Thanks. Well, let's continue our tour.
Enjoy the tour.
Over here we have our scale, and of course, something that every lab has to have, a little aquarium. Let's continue. Here we store most of our dangerous liquid chemicals, such as chloroform and methanol. And over here we have more fume hoods, such as my own fume hood. our group works a lot with these precision pumps. You can see them all over the place. This back part is more orientated towards a biochemical approach. We've got our centrifuge to separate and settle in, for example, our polymerosomes or our stomatocytes. Well, I think you've seen enough of the lab for now. Let's go back. An important part of keeping a lab working and clean is to have weekly lab cleanings. We do these every Friday. And a big year cleanout once a year. Let's continue. Well, that was a nice tour of the lab. Let's see what the others are doing. Oh, Lotte, what are you up to?
Bela, I'm going to put some antibodies on my polymers today.
Well, that sounds interesting.
Yeah.
Let's continue. Good luck, Lotte.
Thank you.
Oh, I can see Serena is here at the microscope. Let's have a look what she's doing.
Why are you recording now? Don't you see it's still empty?
Oh,
Shoot!
okay, I'm right, go. Well, it seems as if somebody's doing some rheology experiments. When? Why don't you tell us a little bit more about this?
I'm using the rheology to measure the mechanical properties of my materials. So normally we use this rheometer to measure the properties of the sample. Yeah.
Mighty interesting. Let's continue. Well, I hope you got a nice little view of our lab and had a great time. And thanks for sticking around, partner, and see you next time. Of course, it's important to have a break once in a while. Delicious. Okay, that's already enough.